Bubbleless Beatbox.
Oh boy, I'm in here now. Got new beans upon, so let me show you how. I got put against a little dumb cow. So someone's gotta be sorry now. Oh boy, I'm in here now. Got new beans upon, so let me show you how. I got put against a little dumb cow. So someone's gotta be sorry now. Oh hey, a little letter, let me show you what I've got. After the shit that you spat, I can help but take a shot. I'll be flying around the ring while you got nothing to see. I'll be spitting verbal fire that is hotter than hot. Got no bars like the little perv that you are. You ain't original, no, you weren't even from the start. You parody the songs that have like what, 2 views? The definition of original is what I'm saying to you. Oh boy, I'm in here now. Got no beans upon, so let me show you how. I got put against a little drum count. So someone's gotta be sorry now. Oh boy, I'm in here now. Got no beans upon, so let me show you how. I got put against a little drum count. So someone's gotta be sorry now. Gorge, you decided to not stop talking. Better though, before the bird makes you stop walking. No one likes the bars or the disses you say. Is this why you beating Patros was really quite shocking? Just because you're just being a shaggy doesn't mean you're godlike. Made me stopping all right there just like you were a stoplight. You have no friends, fame, blah blah blah, probably not even a house. So just let yourself get destroyed by the stern house. Oh boy, I'm in here now. Got no beans to bar, so let me show you how. I got put against a little dumb cow. So someone's gotta be sorry now. Oh boy, I'm in here now. Got no phone with rules, so let me slow you down. I got bonds, you probably got no house. You just got destroyed in the bird house.